I'm in Sugar Land today. Property's in the late 1980s. It actually is in really good shape, but there are some roof deficiencies you can't see from the ground level, and I just want to express to you the importance. If there's a way to get on the roof, it's very important that your inspector does. Let's go check it out. Alright, so for the first test run, what I want to do is actually recreate what it would look like if I looked at the shingles from the ground level, and then I'm going to climb up to the top of the roof and show you what I see from up there. It started raining, so let's just wait it out, I guess. Let's go check on top of the roof. This one's a little bit steeper than I normally like. But I knew I could get up safely and down safely without falling off the roof through this access right here. So this one is a little steep. It's 2 stories, so I normally, whenever I'm up here, I just stick to the ridges and valleys to try to stay as safe as possible. So this one I'm not going to talk and walk to you, so let's just throw on some cool music and look at some damage flashing. Okay, it's starting to rain again, so I got to get down off the roof as quick as possible, but I just want to just show you the reason why I like to get up here if I can. So that's in some really great finds with Chris with AAction. If you have any home inspection questions, please give us a call, and please like and share the videos. Thanks guys, bye.